टॉक्स विद अमिता। और जैसा कि हमने आपसे वायदा किया है, इस लॉकडाउन में इन स्टेइंग पॉजिटिव कोविड सीरीज में हम आपको रूबरू कराते रहेंगे ऐसी शख्सियत से जिसका समाज पर एक इम्पैक्ट है, जो एक अहम सोशल इन्फ्लुएंसर है, एजुकेशनल लीडर है। और इसी कड़ी में देश के विभिन्न कोनों से अभी तक हम बहुत ही एमिनेंट लोगों को आपके साथ लाए हैं, एंड वी हैव गॉटन इमेंस रिस्पॉन्स। और यहीं पर एक सोच आई कि जब हम बात करते हैं एजुकेशन में ब्रांड की, तो कुछ चुनिंदा ब्रांड्स हिंदुस्तान में जानी मानी जिन्होंने शोहरत हासिल करी और जगह जगह तक पहुंचे हैं। ऐसी ही एक शख्सियत आज हमारे बीच में है जिन्होंने MR जयपुरिया स्कूल चेन को एक 2 टियर 3 टियर सिटीज में ले जाकर के क्वालिटी एजुकेशन के सपने को साकार करने की कोशिश करी है। फ्रेंड्स, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मिस्टर कनक गुप्ता, डायरेक्टर MR Jaipuriya Group of Schools, who is there right now connecting directly with us from Delhi. Of course, we had got a little delayed with the initial technical glitch. He's right now in our virtual studio. So without any further delay, allow me to invite Kanakji on screen with all of us. Namaskar Kanakji, welcome to Ed Talks with Amita.
नमस्कार अमिताभ जी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस डिस्कशन। बहुत खुशी हो रही है आपसे बात कर लॉकडाउन के दौरान। आई होप यू आर सेफ, आई होप ऑल आवर व्यूअर्स आर सेफ।
Thank you so much for asking. We are all very, we are all remaining positive and healthy, trying to battle with an attitude. In fact, having an educationist like you, अभी एक joke circulate कर रहा है WhatsApp पे that other countries, developed countries are saying कि पता नहीं हम survive कर पाएंगे कि नहीं, हम इससे बाहर निकल पाएंगे कि नहीं। और इंडिया में the talk and the buzz is assignment deadline से पूरा कर लो, time से पूरा कर लो। So the education has been a major and a massive focus in this lockdown times as well. I think schools have done a great job.
Absolutely, Amitabh ji. I strongly believe that teachers, not just who are working with us, but I think teachers in general across the world have done incredibly well. I think hats off to all teachers everywhere. मतलब इस तरीके से आप देखिए कि 21 मार्च तक हमने ये बोला कि हाँ आपको पढ़ाई करवानी है, किताबें कॉपी चेक करनी है, लेसन प्लान प्रिपेयर करिए, और 22 तारीख को हमने बोला कि आप एक्सपर्ट हो जाइए, कि आपको फेसबुक से भी कनेक्ट करना है, जूम पे भी कनेक्ट करना है, और बच्चे को PTM भी करना है व्हाट्सएप वीडियो पर, असाइनमेंट सारे हमें कंप्यूटर पे चेक करने हैं। इनक्रेडिबल व्हाट यू कॉल इट guts shown by teachers, and I think hats off also to all students. बहुत जल्दी हम लोग भूल जाते हैं कि बच्चों के लिए एक बहुत नई चीज है, और हम लोग भूल जाते हैं कि बच्चों ने बहुत मेहनत कर इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे पढ़ाई पूरी अपनी की है, एंगेज रहे हैं। पेरेंट्स जिन्होंने इतने कम समय में सीख लिया कि किस तरीके से स्कूल्स में पढ़ाई करवानी है, बच्चों के साथ, टीचर्स के साथ कोऑर्डिनेट करते हुए, I strongly feel that as a school, we never shut down. It was only the school building which was not open. Otherwise, the schools हम लोग चलते रहे, और सब लोग अच्छे काम कर रहे हैं। मेरे को बहुत खुशी है इस बात पे।
School buildings were in a lockdown, not education, not learning. Everyone ensured that.
Absolutely. School buildings were in a lockdown. Schools have remained open.
I know there are 3 dimensions to you. One is education, other is environment, and other is, of course, your family and other interesting passions you have. So we are going to talk about all that, because the whole idea of Ed Talks is, we talk less data, we talk more experience. And of course, data comes in between. We cannot avoid data. But then with someone like you and your experience, friends, Kanakji hails from Calcutta, gone on to complete his education, traveled across the country, and then वो हिंदुस्तान के बाहर गए, पर्ड्यू यूनिवर्सिटी से इन्होंने हायर एजुकेशन हासिल करी, और उसके बाद he worked in the corporate environment for some time, and then उन्हें लगा, like many other people on our show who are committed to this cause of education, and he became an educationist by choice, and decided to cater to this field in a big way. तो चलिए आज जानने की कोशिश करते हैं कनक जी एज एन एडुप्रेन्योर, कनक जी एज एन एजुकेशनिस्ट, कनक जी एज अ पर्सन and his life and times, what lessons we have to learn from his experience. कनक जी इस समय पर लॉकडाउन में है, and I know people like you are extremely, हम लोग पहले कहते थे भाई ये बच्चों से भी हम लोग कहते थे तुम लोग वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड में इतना वक्त मत रहो, सपनों की दुनिया में मत रहो, और आज the virtual world has become the real world for us. And I'm sure with your family, with you must be finding a lot of ways to stay positive and stay productive. So how are you managing your life and time during this lockdown? I'm sure a lot of people will find it interesting and get ideas for the remaining days to cope up with.
So, Amitabh ji, like everyone, I'm as unaware about, how to face this. I think this is new for everyone, and we're all trying to make the best of this situation. सब लोग बेहतर करना चाह रहे हैं, सब लोग बहुत सारी चीजें सीखना भी चाह रहे हैं और करना भी चाह रहे हैं. मैं आपसे एक छोटा सा एनेक्डोट शेयर करता हूँ. जिस दिन माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने लॉकडाउन की घोषणा की थी कि अब हम लोग को अपने घरों पे ही रहना पड़ेगा, दूसरे दिन मैंने इतने ज्यादा कामों में अपने आप को इन्वॉल्व किया. मैंने 3 कोर्सेज पे साइन अप कर लिया coursera पे. मैंने 6-7 लोगों को बोल दिया कि मैं वेबिनार्स करने वाला हूं. मैंने अपनी टीम को बोला कि सारे ट्रेनिंग सेशंस में मैं खुद बैठना चाहता हूं. मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया कि मैं फिर से मैराथन भागूंगा. 3 साल हो गए मैराथन भागे हुए, तो मेरे को लगा कि अब भागना जरूरी है. मैंने 2 स्क्रिप्ट्स पे काम करना शुरू. बहुत सारे खाना बनाना, घर की साफ सफाई, ये सब हम लोग नॉर्मली कर रहे हैं, तो वो इंस्टाग्राम वर्दी पिक्चर्स का खाना बनाने की भी पूरी प्लानिंग कर ली थी. और सारे ये काम करने के बाद मेरे को समझ में आया कि 24 घंटे बहुत कम है, और दूसरे दिन पूरी बॉडी स्टिफ थी और मेरे को कुछ भी करने का मन नहीं हुआ. और that's when I realized that instead of wanting to do more things, let me try to do things which are possible, which are important. And I started categorizing about जो essential हैं काम, वो तो हमारे चलेंगे ही, but what was that one thing that I really wanted to do and I was not getting time for it. And then I started segregating कि अगर मेरे को ये काम सच में करना है तो अभी मेरे पास समय है. तो मैं ये एक्सक्यूज नहीं दे सकता कि मेरे पास समय नहीं था इसीलिए मैं मैराथन नहीं भाग पाया. अभी मेरे पास समय है, so let me start preparing for it. And that's when I could filter out that these are the things I want to do, and ये सब मेरे ख्वाब हैं, ये सब बेकार की बात है और मैं excuses दे रहा हूँ कि शायद मैं नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. So that helped a lot, and I became more organized. I started doing things that really matter to me. I started looking inwards instead of saying that I want to study about randomly saying the Second World War. I genuinely am very keen on Indian history, and I started reading more about it. I started writing again, which is very close to my heart. I went back to theater, which has been close to my heart, and work has continued. I mean, hats off to my team and my contemporaries across the world who have contributed in such magnificent manner in opening my mind that this new normal will go on for a while. And yeah, now I'm ready for it. Now I'm absolutely prepared that आगे जाकर भी हम लोग इस format में रहेंगे.
That's fantastic. And viewers who are listening to this broadcast at the moment, I think what Kanakji has shared, that on day one, he thought of doing a lot of things when the lockdown was announced. And he, by the time the day ended, realized that it is important to keep things to normal and be pragmatic than to get over ambitious about things. And you need to plan your day, you need to plan your work, and that is what he did. And I think the lesson for everyone is organize yourself, compartmentalize various work that you need to do, and be pragmatic about what you can do. And it's so interesting to see that you explored a lot of areas which were otherwise pending, writing books, your culinary skills, your cooking skills, and your commitment with your daughter. I think while we were discussing informally the other day while preparing with the software pre-broadcast brief, you mentioned that you are doing something with your daughter in terms of writing at the moment. You're doing some book along with her during this time. So I would like, they're very fascinated. I think a lot of family time, and there can be a lot of constructive work can be done with parents and the child together. So can you share a little more about that with us?
Sure. So, my daughter shares my enthusiasm for a lot of things, be it with music or be it with sports, be it with theater, as we call it, as my mother says that तुम लोगों की घर की नौटंकी बहुत ज्यादा होती है. So, she shares that passion. She also shares my passion for writing. And, uh, you know, one of the nights when she was reading her book, and my wife and I, we were also sitting and we were reading our books. उसने हमसे एक सवाल पूछा कि जब स्कूल खुलेगा तो क्या मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ अपना टिफिन शेयर कर पाऊंगी. एंड वी
Okay.
डिडंट हैव एन आंसर, एंड देन शी सेड दैट जब भी स्कूल खुले, चाहे वो अक्टूबर में खुले चाहे वो जनवरी में खुले, क्या चीजें नॉर्मल रहेंगी. और she's been hearing me on webinars and talking to my team that I strongly believe that बाकी सारी चीजें तो नॉर्मल हो जाएंगी, पर इस लॉकडाउन की वजह से हम लोग सबको इमोशनल वेलबींग के ऊपर कॉन्सेंट्रेट थोड़ा करना पड़ेगा, और ये एक
Right.
नेचुरल सी बात है. एंड सो शी आस्क्ड अस क्वेश्चंस अबाउट इट, दैट क्या लगता है आपको कि क्या चीजें चेंज होने वाली हैं मेंटली, हम लोगों को क्या चीजों की ध्यान देना चाहिए. सो very interestingly, she has started talking to her friends and she's keeping a journal about what kind of changes her friends are experiencing on an everyday basis being at home.
Okay.
पेरेंट्स के साथ किस तरीके से, अभी वो 10 साल की है तो उसके सेंटेंसेस बड़े प्यारे प्यारे आते हैं. सो कि पेरेंट्स के साथ किस तरीके से बात हो रही है. एंड फ्रेंड्स ऑब्वियसली शेयर वेरी ओपनली विद ईच अदर, सो वो लोग एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं कि आज मम्मी ने डांटा, आज पापा ने इस तरीके से बात की, या आज घर में ये हुआ. बिकॉज इट इज ऑब्वियस, लाइक joke going around is that we're all in this big in this huge big boss house jahan par we are being watched, etc. And obviously it's a psychological damage, which is caused as well. So she's tracking that and we were very happy to see that, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने उससे
That's
कहा नहीं, कभी ना उसको ट्रेनिंग दिया कुछ. So she started doing that, so we encouraged it. So now I'm trying to let her write normally, and I'm trying to draw parallels to theory कि क्या क्या चीजें हम लोग इसको साइकोलॉजी से लिंक कर सकते हैं.
right.
Just that's what we're both trying to do.
That's fantastic, and I think you and I have two things in common. Both of us have a daughter, of course, and both have similar interest of language and expression.
राइट. नो, एब्सोल्युटली, एब्सोल्युटली. आप इस चीजों को बहुत अच्छे से समझते हो, एंड आई थिंक इट्स ग्रेट दैट यू आर टॉकिंग टू सो मेनी पीपल. इट गिव्स पीपल अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस, अमिताभ जी, जब आप बताते हो लोगों को कि कैसे आप अपने समय को अच्छी तरीके से बांध सकते हो, किस तरीके से आप यूटिलाइज कर सकते हो, किस तरीके से आप आगे बढ़ सकते हो. सो या, kudos to you for doing this.
Thank you so much. And I think we are trying to follow that dictum. It's all about perception. अपने नजरिए को सकारात्मक रखेंगे तो सब कुछ अपने आसपास सकारात्मक रहेगा. Let's keep our perceptions positive. Everything will become positive. कनक जी, जो आपने शेयर किया अभी, I would like to emphasize for my viewers and audience at the moment that Kanak ji has pointed out the experience of his daughter. एक बच्चे के मन में तमाम सवाल हैं, कोमल हृदय है, there's an innocent thought, there's an innocent query. They are looking at the whole situation with a very different perspective. उसके लिए ये important है, with an educated background, Kanak ji and his wife has ensured that a child does not get stressed about the negativities revolving around Corona and COVID-19. But then the child still has some natural innocent anxieties कि जब स्कूल खुलेगा, जब भी खुलेगा, तो क्या हम अपना टिफिन अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर पाएंगे. Friends, there are a lot of thoughts going on in your child's mind. it is important at this point of time for you to be connected to your child, allow your child to express and share with you so that you can take care of their innocent thoughts and anxieties in their mind. Kanakji has gone a step further. He has created a way to give a vent to her thoughts and emotions in a creative channelization and trying to create a productive output also for her. I think a lot of parents listening to us right now or who will watch it later on will find it as an idea to work upon. And it Kanakji is talking about writing book. You can talk about cooking together. You can talk about singing together. There can be so many things that can help us at this point of time. Thank you for sharing your daughter's personal experience, Kanakji. This also brings me. You have been globe trotter in terms of traveling. आज एक जगह कल दूसरी जगह और if I know it correctly, your school as a chain of school has a you have a management college, you have chain of schools, and where more than 35 schools you have, and you're managing all that gamut. Uh, एकाएक उतना active time and suddenly no traveling. You become literally a virtual traveler. We all have become a virtual traveler. So how do you find this shift in experience?
सो अमिताभ जी, सबसे पहले आपने एकदम सही कहा कि हम लोग ने 35 स्कूल सेटअप किए हैं अक्रॉस द कंट्री. देयर आर 35 स्कूल्स, 34 schools actually running across the country, and we have 30,000 students who are currently studying with St. M.R. Jaipuria schools. And it's important for us, हम लोग सब इस बारे में बहुत ओपनली बात करते हैं एज पार्ट ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, दैट हमारे ऊपर एक बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है कि हम लोगों को इन बच्चों के फ्यूचर को बेहतर बनाना है. और इररिस्पेक्टिव अ चाइल्ड वो टीयर 2 सिटी में है, टीयर 3 सिटी में है, या कहीं पर भी बड़े शहरों में है, उनकी एजुकेशन की अपॉर्चुनिटीज आज टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से अपॉर्चुनिटीज अवेलेबल भी हैं, एंड आई थिंक दे शुड गेट एक्सेस टू दैट काइंड ऑफ एजुकेशन. So we strongly believe in that. We are very passionate about it. The second thing is about travel. Now, I love traveling. I genuinely enjoy traveling. I genuinely enjoy meeting people. I genuinely enjoy talking to people. मेरे दादाजी इस बारे में बहुत जोक करते थे कि मुझे कुछ आता नहीं है तो इसलिए मैं दूसरों से सवाल पूछता हूँ. And since I was a child, he would put this thought in my head, and I am naturally very inquisitive. And it was his way of telling me that, always remain inquisitive, always keep asking questions, and that's how you will learn. So I love traveling and I love meeting people. So जगह पर जाकर लोगों से बात कर उनके आइडियाज भी लेकर और अपनी भी कुछ आइडियाज देकर एक बहुत यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस रहता है. What technology has done, despite of the lockdown, we are still able to talk to each other. We are still able to explore so much, and we share ideas instead of being very restrictive or in a boundary जहां पर हम ये सोचते हैं कि नहीं ये मेरा है मैं किसी को नहीं बताऊंगा. What I've seen is that people have become more open. अब सब लोग आराम से बात करते हैं. अगर टेक्निकल सेंस में बोले जो कंपटीशन होता है वहां पर भी लोगों से अब बात और ओपनली होती है. कोई भी फोन उठाकर पूछ लेता है, यार ये तू कैसे कर रहा है, तूने वो कैसे किया, मैं अपने टीचर्स को और कैसे अभी ट्रेनिंग दिलवाऊं, बच्चों को एंगेज कैसे करना है, और क्या एक्टिविटीज हो सकती हैं. टू गिव यू एन आइडिया, हम लोगों ने कोलैबोरेट किया है स्टेप ऐप के साथ, हमने कोलैबोरेट किया है टॉरेंस म्यूजिक के साथ, एंड ऑल दीज कोलैबोरेशंस, फॉर्मूला 1 इन स्कूल्स के साथ, एंड ऑल दीज कोलैबोरेशंस हैपेंड वेरी इजीली. इनके कंपनी सीईओ से मैंने बात की और हम लोगों ने यही बोला कि ऐसे बच्चों को एंगेज करना चाहते हैं, कैन यू हेल्प अस? एंड दे सेड दैट yeah, this is a wonderful thought, and everyone went ahead. So despite of us being in a lockdown situation, we are communicating more. मैं ये हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि we need to be social in the times of distancing. तो social distancing word को थोड़ा सा spread कर दिया. So that has helped a lot. If you keep that mindset, it makes it easier. ट्रैवल को मिस जरूर करते हैं, ये बात नहीं डिनाई करेंगे कि ट्रैवल को मिस जरूर करते हैं. We were supposed to be in New York today. My sister lives there, so we were supposed to be today in the traditional summer holidays उसके लिए didn't happen. But yeah, I am still very hopeful. Hope over fear always. So I'm very
Right.
hopeful that very soon restrictions will end. There will be a vaccine and we'll be able to travel again. And I'm really excited about the times that are coming up because I feel that with a hybrid education model, with a
Right.
hybrid way of life, all of us will continue being more productive. All of us will have access to much better lives in the future. That is what my hope is now. So
Uh,
yeah,
I, I totally relate and identify with that hope, and I also totally agree with what you said. I think our thoughts are matching. I always am professing this idea that social distancing is a wrong expression. It is just physical distancing. We have become more social in the lockdown days. It only took
absolutely.
Mr. Kanak Gupta to come to our virtual studio just few seconds and a click of a mouse. Otherwise, probably he would have had to plan the complete itinerary and work on it. So I think there are a lot of conveniences also in the positives in this time. And
No, absolutely.
Kalaji, there is, uh, I would like to share an anecdote here, inspired and I recall with what you shared that your father used to say कि क्योंकि तुमको कुछ आता नहीं है इसलिए तुम इतने सवाल लोगों से पूछते हो. I actually had a literal experience of that kind in my personal life during early years, and my experience was I used to be a very shy person, and I went to a wedding or some place with my parents. I knew no one there. So I was sitting in one corner while my parents were socially interacting with people. There was an elderly gentleman, probably he also had limited choices to interact with, was sitting next to me. And he asked me, "Or beta, kya karte ho?" I was shy. I did not know what to say. I told him. And then not knowing what to say, I said, "Aap kya karte ho?" So this gentleman that told me that he's an agriculture scientist or something, and then he said agriculture scientist. I don't know what happened to me. I said, "वो कैसे क्या करते हैं?" In my own juvenile expression, and he went on talking about his profession for an hour. And then I came back home. A week later, somebody met my mom, his wife, or someone else, that so and so was talking about your son, that he's a very confident boy and a very good communicator. And I was wondering, what did I communicate? I only heard him. And I asked him a few questions, and from that time, my confidence in communication started changing. That even if you don't know, if you try to know it from others, you can uh, communicate well with people. So I think you have been inquisitive also in your journey. Kanaji will be coming to education and other thought because that is the forte of your profession. I know that you have a great interest in theater, and I understand that you have been part of an organization who's doing a lot of good work and taking up a lot of social issues through the theater. So can you tell us what it is all about?
Sure. So, Amitabh ji, this also comes with, personal hindrances. So, like you, I'm also I'm still a very shy person. I am an introvert. I don't open up very easily. And, but, there's a misconception people have that introverts can't talk या introverts
Right.
बात नहीं करते हैं. But, yeah, वो एक किसी और दिन हम लोग इसके बारे में और डिटेल में बात करेंगे.
Absolutely.
So obviously to express oneself, you had to look at things, and my school teachers helped us to put up theater plays. And in college I founded theatrician with my friends, which is now the most prolific English theater group in the country. हमने करीबन 150 odd plays कर चुके हैं हम लोग, and we still remain the only theater group to be interviewed by BBC 4 in London. And British Council had recognized me with the Young Creative Entrepreneur Award also for it.
Right.
And so we try to do three things with theater. One, obviously entertainment. Two, pick up social causes to educate
Right.
people about it. And three, that there are a lot of people who believe strongly कि हमें creative arts में profession अपना चुनना है,
Right.
उससे हमें अपनी रोजी रोटी चलानी है. So we try to give them those opportunities कि आप इसमें भी आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. So
Right.
after all these years, I'm very happy that अब थिएट्रिशियन के लेटर हेड के recommendations काफी काम आते हैं बच्चों को कॉलेज एडमिशंस में.
Great. Great.
So yeah, we're very happy with that. So I'm not directly involved on an everyday basis with theatrician. Obviously, me as an educator, I'm more involved with that. But I still try to give my inputs. Officially, तो मेरे को मेरी वाइफ ने निकाल दिया थिएटर ग्रुप से कि कुछ काम आप करते हो नहीं तो आपकी जरूरत है नहीं उसमें. But yeah, so now lockdown has given me a chance to go back to theater. Very recently, last week हम लोगों ने एक play किया ऑनलाइन एंड काफी अच्छा रिस्पांस रहा. करीबन 800 ऑड लोगों ने उसको जूम पर देखा. मैं एक स्क्रिप्ट अभी उस पर काम कर रहा हूँ एंड होपफुली बाय जून आई विल बी एबल टू पुट इट ऑनलाइन. एंड सो या दैट्स व्हाट इट इज. बट सोशल कॉजेस पे हम लोग बहुत फोकस करते हैं. जो भी रेलेवेंट सोशल कॉजेस होते हैं उनके ऊपर हम लोग छोटे छोटे स्किट्स करते हैं. स्कूल्स में जाकर वर्कशॉप्स भी करते हैं जहां पर बच्चों को अवेयर करते हैं. सो obviously with theater personality development happens. It's a natural thing. So
right.
kids get a chance to improve on that as well. And उनको किसी एक cause के ऊपर educate करना, उसके बारे में उनके views जानना, वो भी करते हैं.
That's so beautiful to know. And audience and viewer, any entrepreneur and a positively thinking person in the arts also finds an idea that can yet be implemented. There's nothing like it cannot be done. And I'm really inspired to hear Kanakji saying that they have done an online theater in this lockdown time. I'm sure there must have been people from different corners. It must have really taken some kind of a thinking. In fact, Kanakji, going a little off track, for the next script that you are planning to come online, if you need a actor, I volunteer myself.
Absolutely. It'll be an honor. How nice.
Right. Now, going further, as you are an educationist who has also been associated with theater, there are a lot of youngsters who also watch our show and our episodes. I would like to know from you, you have seen it both the sides of the world, the education and theater. There are a lot of parents, there are a lot of kids who want to go into theater, but there are a lot of parents say कि भाई कुछ पढ़ाई लिखाई कर लो, काम कर लो, theater. So theater and पढ़ाई लिखाई is taken as something which doesn't go hand in hand. And theater में career कैसे बनेगा? Parents are not able to visualize. So what is your take on that?
So you're very right, अमिताभ जी. होता है, सबको लगता है कि शायद अगर मेरा बच्चा क्रिएटिव आर्ट्स में जाएगा तो शायद वो सक्सेस ना मिल पाए जो स्टीरियोटिपिकली डॉक्टर या इंजीनियर बनने में होगा. Don't get me wrong, I feel they are very important professions. Being a doctor, being an engineer, I think, I come from a family of engineers. I can understand कितना difficult है to be an engineer. Hats off to doctors across the world for doing what they're doing now and otherwise as well. But it's not everyone's cup of tea being a doctor and an engineer. So मैं ये मानता हूँ कि बच्चा या कोई भी इंसान जो खुद करना चाहे, जो अपने दिल से करना चाहे, जो उनका पैशन हो, वो करना बहुत अच्छा रहता है. If you do something that you're passionate about, you don't have to work. You're not stressed about it. I love talking to people. I love talking to interesting people like you. So I am not stressed about this conversation at all. या आप मेरे से मेरे प्रोफेशन के बारे में पूछ रहे हो, आप मेरे पैशंस के बारे में पूछ रहे हो. आई एम नॉट स्ट्रेस्ड अबाउट इट बिकॉज दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव बीन डूइंग, दिस इज व्हाट आई एम डूइंग एंड आई डोंट माइंड. सो बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स को मैं ये मैसेज देना चाहता हूँ कि अगर आपको लगता है कि आपके बच्चे में टैलेंट है, पोटेंशियल है, पैशन है, डिजायर है, उसको प्लीज थोड़ा सा प्रमोट करें. क्योंकि यू नेवर नो, इफ योर चाइल्ड इज वेरी गुड एट स्पोर्ट, they might turn out to be the next Dhoni. I'll share with you another anecdote. And sometime back, Mr. Gautam Gambhir, who's now a member of parliament and, fantastic cricketer, also a Manchester United fan like me, वो हमारे एक स्कूल में आए थे, आई थिंक बनारस के स्कूल में आए थे फॉर द एनुअल डे एज अ चीफ गेस्ट. एंड उन्होंने बहुत ओपनली इस बात को शेयर किया that he comes from a very successful family and he said that कभी जरूरत नहीं थी कि लगता नहीं था किसी को कि कुछ करने की जरूरत है because of the way the family legacy is. और उनका पैशन था कि वो स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन बनना चाहते हैं. एंड उनके फैमिली ने उनको बोला कि हम आपको सपोर्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे स्पोर्ट्स में, एंड ही सेड दैट नो, आई विल मेक इट ऑन माय ओन. बट slowly the family also realized, and today you see where he has gone. And like, it was so good to hear from him the passion with which he spoke. It gave our children so much confidence, and I'm
Right.
so happy that now across Jaipuria schools, we have sports competitions also. The sports teams are doing well. They are performing nationally, internationally. हमारे लखनऊ की cricket team has, I think last year we were crowned the national champions as well, in the
Okay.
under 13 and under 15 categories. So
Right.
like, it just takes one trigger to make
Right.
sure that the child can follow her dream or his dream, and be successful. So it's not necessary that you need to be successful only in, say, the stereotypical old way. There are a lot of things that we need to do to make sure
Right.
that the child, yeah, follows his or her passion.
Right. Friends, what Kanakji has so very candidly pointed out, that we need to allow the child to follow and pursue his passion. Only then excellence can be achieved, and he can reach to the heights that you and I cannot imagine. Because let us not live our dreams through our children. Let them live their own dreams. That will be very, very important. And he has so beautifully shared the example of Gautam Gambhir. Had it not been cricket, we don't know whether he would have reached to the similar level of satisfaction and the excellence that today you and I are talking about Gautam Gambhir as an example. And in fact, from the cricketing sphere, we had a few episodes back. Fatima Agarkar, wife of Ajit Agarkar, she talked about Ajit's early days, and she also mentioned that he got support from people, that he had 9, 10 years of proper practice. That is what helped him come to that level. Of course, striking balance is there. So, friends, it's parents, please allow your children to blossom in their area or their niche area. They can surprise you with their success in those areas. And today, everything is becoming commercial. I'm sorry to use that expression. There is money in sports, there is money in education. So it's just that one needs to be skilled and one needs to excel. So if you are not skilled and you don't excel in education, you will not be able to earn enough money. So is the case with sports. It should be taken in that spirit. Kanakji, with your permission, before we go further, there are a lot of people have started coming in. We have a lot of people acknowledging Divya, Abhishek, Varun
Sure.
Chaturvedi, Akhilesh Singh, Raja Khanna, Deepa Singh, Shraddha Agarwal. There's so many people have, Sadhna Pandey, so many people have started coming in. So I'll take this opportunity to encourage um, our viewers to also put up a few queries if they want to know something directly from you or from me during this broadcast. Of course, people would be very keen to hear and learn a lot from your experience. So, friends, please do not hesitate in putting your queries in the chat box. If you want to know something from Kanakji, you can just put up your queries in the chat box. We will try and incorporate your queries in our interaction and talk right away itself. Uh, Make the best of the opportunity. We have Kanak Gupta, Director, MR Jaipuria Group of Schools in Ed Talks with Amitabh today. So Kanakji, taking it further, we have talked about your lockdown days, how you're managing. We've tried to learn how theatre has been an integral part and how you balance this, struck the balance between the two. Now, while I was doing a little homework on you before getting myself prepared for interaction with you, I also realized that you have lately been very passionate about this cause of environment, and you've been taking up a lot of movement. You've been associated with that as well. And so I would like a little more to know. And I think I would like to know, how do you see this lockdown in the, people are saying कि गंगा जो मैली थी अभी साफ होने लगी, क्योंकि इंडस्ट्रीज नहीं चल रही हैं. लोग जो दूर के दृश्य थे, नजारे थे, और आसमान में जो तारे थे जो नहीं दिखते थे, अब सब नजारे दिख रहे हैं. So we have a very romantic shift in the environment at the moment. So what is your take as a passionate environmentalist?
Sure. So, Amitabh ji, I'm co-founder of My Right to Breathe, which is, we are fighting for air pollution issues across the world, and we have one of the highest sort of footprint on social media when it comes to air pollution issues. मेरी जर्नी एयर पोल्यूशन के साथ 2016 में शुरू हुई, जब बहुत ज्यादा दिल्ली में पोल्यूशन हो गया था, प्रदूषण की वजह से सबकी तबीयत खराब होने लग गई, और जब पता चला कि ये चक्कर क्या है, और दैट्स व्हेन वी सेड दैट ये करना जरूरी है। माय राइट टू ब्रीथ के थ्रू हम लोगों ने अवेयरनेस क्रिएट की है, और बहुत सारे सोल्यूशंस हम लोगों ने दिए हैं जनरल पब्लिक को, आरडब्ल्यूएस को, सरकार को। बहुत लोगों से हम लोगों ने बात की है। डब्ल्यूएचओ भी हमारे साथ रेगुलरली कंसल्ट करते हैं रिगार्डिंग अ लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज। इनफैक्ट जब डब्ल्यूएचओ की कॉन्फ्रेंस हुई थी, so unfortunately the Indian representative from the government could not reach. My friend Ravina Raj Kohli, she was sort of the Indian representative on the global platform, and we said that we are going to take care of air pollution issues in the country. So I strongly believe, Amitabh ji, that Mother Nature is now showing us who is boss. उन्होंने एक हिंट दिया था, हिंट ही बोलेंगे अब तो, एयर पोल्यूशन को लेकर। और उन्होंने बोला था कि थम जाओ, सब कुछ थाम लो यहाँ पर, और तुम लोग सब चीजें बर्बाद कर रहे हो। पर हमें समझ में नहीं आया था। हमने अपनी इंडस्ट्रीज को भी जारी रखा, कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटीज भी किए। हम लोगों ने ये नहीं सोचा कि गाड़ियों को हमें रोकना चाहिए। हमें लगा कि पेड़ काट के हम लोग सैपलिंग्स लगा लेंगे और हम लोग जिसको बोलते हैं स्टेटस को मेंटेन कर लेंगे। वो नहीं होगा। एंड आई थिंक 4-5-6 साल तक मदर नेचर हमें बोलती रही दैट सुधर जाओ, सुधर जाओ, सुधर जाओ, और हम लोग नहीं सुधरे। और फिर उन्होंने 22 मार्च को इंडिया में बोल दिया कि अब तो सुधरना पड़ेगा। एंड दिस इज मदर नेचर शोइंग शी इज बॉस, एंड शी इज ऑल्सो शोइंग अस दैट with this 2 months of taking it easy, the difference in environment, जैसा आपने बोला कि नजारे दिखाई दे रहे हैं, सितारे दिखाई दे रहे हैं, सब लोग बहुत पैशनेटली मेरे साथ आजकल शेयर करते हैं, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली वी ऑल हैव मोर टाइम, लेजर टाइम राइट नाउ। मेरे साथ बहुत सारे दोस्त और रिलेटिव्स और वेल विशर्स शेयर करते हैं कि सर आज AQI इतना था, आज AQI इतना है, बहुत कम हो गया है पोल्यूशन, ये देखिए यमुना साफ हो गई है, ये देखिए मेरे घर के पार पेड़ उगने लग गए। एंड I take it with a pinch of salt, and I always smile that this is what we've been saying the last 4-5 years, that we need to take it easy. And while I'm very happy that the pollution is coming under control because of the lockdown, my earnest request to everyone is that ये जो अच्छी चीज हम लोग कर रहे हैं ना, चाहे वो पोल्यूशन को लेकर हो, या हमारे शेड्यूलिंग को लेकर हो, या परिवार के साथ समय स्पेंड करने को लेकर हो, या टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज करके अपना वर्क फ्रॉम होम बेटर बनाना हो, या पढ़ाई को और बेहतर करना हो, ये सारी आदतें जब लॉकडाउन खत्म हो जाएगा, जब कोरोना वायरस का वैक्सीनेशन निकल आएगा, इनको भूलिएगा मत। ये इंपॉर्टेंट है कि फ्यूचर में इसको कंटिन्यू रखें। अभी लॉकडाउन की वजह से पोल्यूशन कम है, होपफुली हम लोग के मेजर्स ऐसे आएंगे फ्यूचर में। हम लोग ने आई कैन नॉट शेयर इट, बट लाइक वी शेयर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ inputs with the governments as well as to what can be done post lockdown for keeping pollution under check. Hopefully a lot of measures will be taken that this does not go up again. Hopefully the greenery continues, and hopefully Kanchenjunga abhi bhi visible ho, आप जहां पर हैं वहां से। important है ये चीज, important है ये चीजें कंटिन्यू हो।
Thank you so much for sharing your views, and viewers, ये नजारे, ये तारे सब हैं हमारे, लेकिन इनके साथ गलत छेड़खानी कीजिएगा, then don't forget who is the boss. कनक जी very beautifully pointed out, कोई confusion में मत रहिएगा, mother nature is the boss, and माँ को बिल्कुल नाराज मत कीजिए, क्योंकि अगर एक बार उनको गुस्सा आएगा तो वो अब सबको correction phase में डाल देंगे, and that is what we are going through. And one thing which really touched me, Kanak ji, when you talked about environment, the appeal that you made to people, कि जितनी भी इस लॉकडाउन में पॉजिटिव हैपनिंग्स है, ऑफ कोर्स ये चैलेंज है, हम लोग कोई नहीं चाहता था कि इस लॉकडाउन हो, इकोनॉमी इज गेटिंग अफेक्टेड, बट देन देयर आर लॉट ऑफ टेक अवेज इन दिस लॉकडाउन। फैमिली के साथ जो वक्त है, ट्रैवलिंग, जितनी भी चीजें आपने पॉइंट आउट करी, कि जो जितनी भी सकारात्मक चीजें हम लोग कर रहे हैं, पॉजिटिव कर रहे हैं, अपने आप को नए एनवायरनमेंट में ढालने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, नए सिंक्रोनाइजेशन क्रिएट कर रहे हैं। इन चीजों को लॉकडाउन के बाद भूल मत जाइएगा, क्योंकि अगर आप भूल जाइएगा तो वापस वही जिंदगी पाइएगा। ये जो आपको दूर पहाड़ियां कैलकाटा में बैठे बैठे या दिल्ली में बैठे बैठे नहीं दिखाई पड़ेंगी। अब तो फिर आपको व्हाट्सएप के मॉक्सी यूज करने पड़ेंगे। ऑफ कोर्स दैट स्टिल इज एन एक्सजेरेशन, बट देन getting the point across, don't lose the positive learnings that you are getting during this lockdown. When the lockdown opens, that's what an appeal that Kanakji makes right now. Kanakji, you talked about WHO experience, and I'm seeing that some questions have started coming in, and I could my eye caught when you were talking about WHO. Somebody has mentioned WHO. That is the question I want to take up. The question is from Mr. Akhilesh Singh. Given the WHO warning that this virus is going to stay with us, how do you see future of education in the country, and how would how world, mainly the school education, would shape up?
So I think it's an excellent question. Thank you, Akhilesh ji, for asking that question. I strongly believe that now everyone started saying, experts have also started saying this, that coronavirus is something that we'll have to live with. And I speak to a lot of experts who strongly believe that until and unless we become okay about facing this head on, we'll not be able to come out of it. Look, I strongly believe that at some point, all of us and any of us are as likely to get coronavirus infected as anyone else. मुझे हो सकता है, किसी को भी हो सकता है ये, and we have to be okay about it कि जब तक वैक्सीनेशन ना निकले तब तक ये होने के चांसेस हैं. Specifically coming to education, I strongly believe that जब लॉकडाउन खुलेगा और जब स्कूल्स खुलेंगे, स्कूल्स को खुलने में थोड़ा समय है, लॉकडाउन खत्म होते ही स्कूल्स नहीं खुलेंगे. आई थिंक मैं पहले बोलता था कि जुलाई के पहले स्कूल्स नहीं खुलेंगे, अब मुझे लग रहा है कि अगस्त के पहले शायद स्कूल्स ना खुल पाए. बट स्कूल्स जब भी खुले, एक एप्रीहेंशन रहेगा पेरेंट्स को, बच्चों को, दैट गोइंग टू स्कूल विल बी अ चैलेंज. टीचर्स को, स्टाफ को, सबको एक चैलेंज लगेगा. एंड आई थिंक वील हैव टू मेक अ फ्यू एडजस्टमेंट्स. सबसे पहला एडजस्टमेंट हमें ये करना पड़ेगा कि हमें एवरी डे स्कूल कॉलेज की बिल्डिंग ना जाकर हमें स्कूल कॉलेज को इसी तरीके से कंटिन्यू करना पड़ेगा, एक हाइब्रिड तरीके से, जिसमें पढ़ाई ऑनलाइन भी होगी और वही पढ़ाई क्लास में भी हो रही है. जो ऑड इवन का फॉर्मूला है वो स्कूलों पर, कॉलेजों पर शायद एप्लीकेबल होगा. मैं आज एचआरडी मिनिस्टर की एक बात सुन रहा था कि जहां पर वो बोल रहे हैं कि अभी हम लोग ने भी सजेशन भेजे थे कि रोटेशनल बेसिस पे स्कूल्स को रन करिए. अब वो बोल रहे हैं कि शायद 30% ऑफ पॉपुलेशन से स्कूल्स को रन करना चाहेंगे, कि 30% बच्चे आए और बाकी के लोगों को ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई करें. आई फील दैट्स वेरी एम्बिशियस, बहुत बड़ा नंबर हो जाएगा 30%, शायद उससे थोड़ा कम हम लोग रखें. एंड 20%, 25% विल मेक मोर सेंस, सो दैट हफ्ते में एक दिन बच्चा स्कूल जा रहा है और 4 दिन उसकी पढ़ाई कंटिन्यू करेगी. आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव दैट 50% ऑफ आवर टीचर्स एंड स्टाफ विल कम टू स्कूल, एंड बाकी 50% को हम लोग को वर्क फ्रॉम होम कंटिन्यू करना पड़ेगा. बट I feel that this hybrid model will continue for a while, and I feel that we'll have to celebrate this model. इसको celebrate करना चाहिए कि हमें एक opportunity मिल रही है. हम लोग theoretically, अमिताभ जी, बहुत ये बात करते थे कि peer learning होनी चाहिए, project based learning होनी चाहिए, flipped classroom होनी चाहिए. flipped classroom मतलब बच्चा पढ़ाई करे और फिर वो क्लास में discussion हो, question answers हो. अब इससे अच्छा मौका आपको कहाँ मिलेगा कोलैबोरेटिव प्रोजेक्ट्स करने के लिए? हम लोग अपने स्कूल्स में आईडीपी करते हैं, इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी प्रोजेक्ट, और मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ इतने सुंदर तरीके से इसके पहले कभी नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि आप रिसर्च भी कर पा रहे हो, आप कंट्रीब्यूट भी कर पा रहे हो, आपका कोलैबोरेशन सिर्फ अपने क्लास में नहीं, आपका कोलैबोरेशन दूसरे शहर के बच्चों के साथ भी हो रहा है, दूसरे देश के बच्चों के साथ भी हो रहा है. सो ये बहुत बड़ी बातें हैं, एंड आई फील दैट वी शुड ओन दिस अप, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स हाउ इट विल कंटिन्यू. So that hybrid learning model I think will continue. इसके साथ साथ हमें एक एडजस्टमेंट और करना पड़ेगा स्कूल में. जैसे बहुत सारी फैक्ट्रियों में भी हो रहा है, सैनिटाइजेशन के लिए एफर्ट्स कर रहे हैं, ऑफिसेज में हो रहा है, हमारे ऑफिसेज में भी हुआ है कि जहां पर हमने सैनिटाइजेशन किया है पूरा, और ऑक्सीमीटर्स लगा रहे हैं, टेम्परेचर चेक्स हो रहे हैं, लोगों को मास्क एक्सेट्रा हम लोगों ने प्रोवाइड किया है. आई थिंक स्कूलों में भी हम लोगों को टनल्स बनवाने पड़ेंगे और बच्चों को रेगुलर सैनिटाइजेशन में भी जो शावर्स होते हैं जिससे सैनिटाइजेशन कर सके उसका अरेंजमेंट करना पड़े। सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, फिजिकल डिस्टेंसिंग बोलें जो भी बोलें, उसको हमें कंटिन्यू करना पड़ेगा स्कूल में, जहां पर जब आप 40 बच्चे बैठा रहे हो आप क्लास में, आप 20 बच्चों को बिठाओगे,
Right.
वो सारी चीजें हम लोगों को ध्यान रखनी पड़ेंगी।
I think the class, your teacher taught ratio in class would change in this context, and I think a lot of co-curriculars will be replanned in the COVID context because to avoid physical contact. And Akhilesh, I
करेक्ट।
think very important point that Kanakji has given as a response to your query, that hybrid model is going to be there. That is going to help us out as we gradually come out of the lockdown. Of course, one should not get over ambitious about till the time government says everything is okay. We should go with the government guidelines and adhere to it. But then hybrid model is the possibility, and we should all celebrate that. And parents should start. You have already started accepting. Students have already started getting acclimatized. In fact, now I think initial days they were a problem, but now it is becoming a way of life for people in last 1.5 to 2 months. Everyone is getting used to this online model, and in times to come it is only going to get even more effective in the process and procedure. A lot of technology advancement and modifications are also going to come up, and as he said that government is going to provide us with the guidelines that what kind of sanitization provisions to be made, the tunnels, the hygiene in the classroom, teacher taught ratio in the classroom, online classroom ratio of the classes. I think all that would be worked out in due course of time. And right now, it is all anticipation. The fact is, we are
Yes.
teachers and schools are ensuring that the virtual world ensures learning does not stop for the children and are across the country. Kanakji, this also, I understand Tapuria is among the top 7 brands as one of the leading rating agency has talked about. And but then it has a major distinction from other brands that this brand does not hesitate in going to 2 tier and 3 tier schools, and the cities taking this brand and ensuring that there is a standardized quality education there. Uh, MR Chepuria has a lot of schools in such locations as well. In the COVID times, in these lockdown days, the connectivity, the signals, and in those remote areas in 2 tier and 3 tier cities may not be that advanced as it may be in more A-grade cities and more urban locations. So, how are you people? What kind of challenges you people are facing, and how are you managing them?
So thank you, Amitabh ji, for asking that. Like, so we are working extensively in tier 2, tier 3 cities. I
Right.
think that is where the requirement of education is the most. More importantly, the aspiration level that I have seen in children of tier 2, tier 3 cities is
Mhm.
incomparable. This is not to
Right.
shade on, the big cities, but mere liye, like, in the last 6 years, I as a person changed because
Right.
as you mentioned that born and brought up in Calcutta and lived all over the world in big cities, and it was the tier 2 tier 3 cities of India that has made me more humane, if at all, and has educated me so much. My real learning has
Right.
happened in the last 6-7 years in these cities, and I feel that you have to give these cities, the smaller cities, uh, a path. आपको उनको बताना है कि आपको इस तरीके से करना है, and they do it better. The children do
Okay.
it better, the teachers do it better, the parents do it better. I'll tell you, the initial days of the lockdown we had a lot of trouble, जहां पर हमें
Right.
ये प्रॉब्लम्स थी कि नेटवर्क की प्रॉब्लम है और घरों में एक डिवाइस है, they did not want a lot of screen time for the children, and instead of telling them that आपको ऐसे करना है, again going back to my grandfather, we started asking questions कि आप बताइए कि क्या करना चाहिए. And the
Okay.
feedback we got from parents was that, आप क्लासेस को शेड्यूल करिए इस समय पर, आप ये वाला प्लेटफॉर्म यूज करिए क्लासेस को करने के लिए, आप वर्कशीट भेज दीजिए, हम उसका फोटो खींचकर बच्चे से करवा कर भेज देंगे। कैन यू बिलीव इट, हम लोगों ने एग्जामिनेशंस करवाए हैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ विश्वास पर, कि पेरेंट्स ने हमें बोला है फोन करके कि हाँ बच्चे ने पेपर लिखना शुरू कर दिया है, और पेरेंट्स ने बोला है कि मैंने उसको मना कर दिया कि अब बस टाइम खत्म हो गया है और मैं आपको उसकी आंसर स्क्रिप्ट को भेज रहा हूं या भेज रही हूं। नाउ दैट confidence where parent has become an ally in the teaching learning process, incredible. And this
Right.
happened only because we asked them the questions instead of telling them that nahi, it wasn't top down, it was more equal. So while those technology challenges are there, we also absolutely understand that everyone is trying to do their best. So instead of
Right.
uh, looking at it as a doubt, we are saying that this is now available. The videos are available. The worksheets are available. Let us look at a model where you study with your child or your child studies with you with
Okay.
convenience. Your teachers are available on standby and on real time basis both, and let's play with it. And that's what's happened. I think हमारे attendance on an average 80 to 82% हैं across all schools, and which I think is a fairly good number. अगर एक normal school day पे देखें तो करीबन 88 से 90% attendance रहती है स्कूलों में। और
Right.
सो आई थिंक ऑनलाइन बेसिस पे हम वो कर पा रहे हैं। और जब हमने ऑनलाइन टेस्ट लिए तो 100% अटेंडेंस अभी तक हर जगह रही है, सो विच इज एन
Right.
इनक्रेडिबल थिंग। सो हमें लग रहा है कि ये चीज हो रही है कि बच्चे एंगेज भी हो रहे हैं। हम लोगों ने बच्चों के साथ एक बहुत यूनिक चीज किया अमिताभ जी, हमने उनको ये बोला है कि सिर्फ हम पढ़ाई नहीं करेंगे, हम और भी चीजें करेंगे। जैसे बच्चे
Okay.
योगा भी कर रहे हैं, बच्चे थिएटर भी कर रहे हैं, बच्चे म्यूजिक भी सीख रहे हैं। और म्यूजिक के लिए उनको ये नहीं है कि गिटार होना चाहिए या सितार होना चाहिए, घर पे
Okay.
रखे बर्तनों से उसको परकशन कैसे बना सकते हैं वो चीजें
Okay.
कर रहे हैं। बच्चे आर्ट सीख रहे हैं, ड्राइंग कॉम्पिटिशन्स हो रही हैं, बच्चे बात कर रहे हैं अच्छे लोगों के साथ। आपसे भी हमारे कुछ बच्चों ने इंटरेक्ट किया स्कूल में, एंड उससे बहुत इंस्पायर भी हो रहे हैं, और बच्चों को समथिंग दैट दे वुड नॉट डू एज पार्ट ऑफ द रेगुलर स्कूल करिकुलम उसका मौका
Right.
मिल रहा है। सो उससे बच्चों को अच्छा लगता है। जैसे हमने Formula 1 इन स्कूल्स से स्टेम लर्निंग को इंटीग्रेट किया है कि कैसे आप
Okay.
इसको सीख सकते हो, तो एक बहुत
Right.
अच्छा है। अभी हमारे स्कूलों में हमने ऐसा आपके जैसे ही एक सिमिलर चैट फॉर्मेट है जिसे हम लॉकडाउन अड्डा बोलते हैं, जिसमें
Okay.
हम बहुत सारे अचीवर्स के साथ बात करते हैं। कोइंसिडेंटली कल है उसका एपिसोड, एंड
Okay.
हम लोग बात करते हैं कि ये अलग अलग करियर ऑप्शंस क्या हो सकते हैं मेरे लिए, और
Okay.
इसको अचीव करने के लिए मेरे को क्या करना चाहिए। वी गेटिंग पीपल लाइक मिस्टर विवेक गोइंका, मिस्टर विनीत पंछी,
Okay.
एंड डॉक्टर समीर गुप्ता टुमारो, एंड हम उनसे
Fantastic.
बस यही बात कर रहे हैं कि उनकी जर्नी क्या रही है। सो लाइक दिस इज समथिंग विच इज वेरी एक्सेप्शनल टू ऑल आवर चिल्ड्रन। और इसके लिए कोई आपको एग्जाम पास नहीं करना है, कोई टेस्ट नहीं करना है, इट्स ओपन टू ऑल, इट्स अ वेरी रिलैक्स्ड एनवायरनमेंट। So yeah, that is what has made a lot of
I think
difference.
that that's an amazing initiative, Kanakji, that you are getting best of the minds, getting the children exposure during this time, and people are available to give that insight to children, and that helps them their minds to open and to keep them positive as well. I think there's a lot of amazing work doing, and you quite rightly pointed out that even in my primary venture HLS India, we have lot of schools under our supervision, and we have found similar experience. We in more developed cities, the questions that we are getting are that why should we do this? Also, is a query that is coming. But then from the 2 tier and the 3 tier locations, we are getting the queries like, how can we do it? So they are more, they're
Right.
not questioning why should I do it. They are more into how should we do it, and probably that is what is making things work in these locations. There's greater eagerness and enthusiasm. Of course, that enthusiasm has been seen pan India in this time. We have now questions pouring in. We have Shweta. There are people acknowledging your environment, your statements on environment. We have Sheetal Shraddha Agarwal acknowledging Sheetal Shinde. Uh, has a Sheetal Shinde has a question, then Shweta Dogra. I'll take Shweta Dogra's question here. Hello, myself, Mrs. Shweta from Mumbai. Nowadays, kids are more towards gadgets, and even they are more attracted towards mobile gaming, YouTuber, etc. How much it is safer, and if we are stopping them to do, they say we get money and fame. So is it okay if they present themselves on social platform? And Kanakji, just once again, I'll take another question which is right adjacent to it, which is another contrast to this. We can merge the two together. Sheetal Shinde at the same time asks another question: how to involve those students who do not have smartphones on for online classes. So on one side, we have a query that kids are getting more and more hooked to these kind of smart technology available gadgets and all. On the other side, the question is how to continue with the education where gadgets are not available, smartphones are not available. Two sides of the world.
So I think absolutely, and both excellent and relevant questions. Thanks for asking that. So you know, before we get into the details of it, I think it's important to understand that the world has changed, and I'm not even saying that the world has changed just because of COVID-19. The world changed. Like when I was in school and college, companies like Amazon and Google did not exist, and they have become a way of life today.
Right.
And इनको क्रिएट करने वाले उनको किसी ने बताया नहीं था. जेफ बेजोस को किसी ने ये नहीं बताया था कि Amazon को इस तरीके से बनाना है. He had a decision making skill and analytical skills, और ये स्किल्स आनी बच्चों को बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. ये एक्सपोजर से ही मिलेगा. सो बच्चों को हम जितना एक्सपोजर दे सकते हैं स्ट्रक्चर्ड तरीके से और फ्री प्ले तरीके से, दोनों तरीके से, बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो instead of saying that this is right and this is wrong,
Right.
make them capable to take decisions. I think वो
Right.
बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. जैसे मैं बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स मेरे साथ भी इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, वो मुझे ये बोलते हैं कि सोशल मीडिया तो बैन कर देनी चाहिए बच्चों के लिए, बच्चे को फेसबुक पे तो जाना ही नहीं चाहिए. और मैं हमेशा ये
Right.
बोलता हूँ कि अगर एज अप्रोप्रिएट हैं और फेसबुक के नॉर्म्स को फॉलो कर रहे हैं, तो आप एजुकेट करिए अपने बच्चे को कि फेसबुक को किस तरीके से यूटिलाइज करना है. आप एजुकेट करिए अपने बच्चों को कि सोशल मीडिया पे प्रेजेंस कैसी हमारी होनी चाहिए, वो ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो कमिंग बैक टू द क्वेश्चंस, यस, अपॉर्चुनिटी तो जरूर है दैट सोशली आप जितना इंटरेक्ट करते हो आपको एक्सपोजर भी मिलता है. Is it good? I really don't know. It will be subjective to you, to your particular child, and you'll be able to take that best decision. But जरूर उनको अपॉर्चुनिटी, उनको मौका जरूर दीजिएगा कि वो अपने टैलेंट को और निखार सकें. उनको मौका जरूर दीजिएगा कि वो सीख सकें. To give you an example, we did some sessions with the legendary musician Ehsaan Noorani, and very very relaxed person, और उन्होंने अपनी गिटार के कॉर्ड्स हमें दिखाए और बताया कि किस तरीके से गिटार बजाते हैं. एंड it has been incredible that a lot of children have started putting up videos उस तरीके से गिटार बजाते हुए, और उसमें से बहुतों को म्यूजिक टीचर्स करेक्ट भी कर रहे हैं, और बहुत ऐसे हैं जिनका शायद प्ले उतना अच्छा नहीं है और उनको समझाया भी जा रहा है कि आपको और मेहनत करने की जरूरत है अभी. द अदर साइड ऑफ द कॉइन, जहां पर बच्चों के पास या जहां पर स्मार्टफोन्स वगैरह नहीं है, सो आई फील दैट एज एन एजुकेटर हम लोग और ज्यादा मेहनत करते हैं उन लोकेशंस पर जहां पर कोई पेरेंट हमें बोलता है कि हमारे पास स्मार्टफोन की उपलब्धि नहीं है या हमें नेटवर्क नहीं मिल रहा है. What we found, Amitabh ji, is that at least in our universe, there's about 100 to 110 odd parents जिनके पास आज के डेट में स्मार्टफोन नहीं है. एंड हम लोग उनको ऑडियो मैसेजेस भेज रहे हैं, हम उनको टीचर्स को रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि वो बात करें रेगुलरली, एक्सपोज कर पाए बच्चों को कि आप ठीक है थोड़ी देर लाइन पे बने रहिए, देखिए म्यूजिक की क्लास चल रही है या लेक्चर चल रहा है तो उसको सुनिए. द पॉजिटिव थिंग अबाउट दैट इज इन पेरेंट्स ने टर्न अराउंड करके बोला है हमारे स्कूल के टीचर्स को, हमारे प्रिंसिपल्स को, कि लॉकडाउन खुल जाने दीजिए, हम लोग अपने बच्चे के लिए एक स्मार्टफोन खरीदना चाहते हैं. हमें लग रहा है कि इससे फायदा है, हमें लग रहा है कि इससे, एंड पीपल हैव मेड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैपन. नेबर्स के फोन नंबर्स हमें दिए हैं या किसी और रिलेटिव का के डिटेल्स दिए कि मैं उनसे कांटेक्ट कर सकता हूं और सेफ तरीके से उनसे जाकर मिल सकते हैं, उनसे फोन ले सकते हैं, या हमारी बिल्डिंग में कोई है और हमारी बिल्डिंग तो पूरी लॉकडाउन है तो उनके साथ हम पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, तो आप उनके नंबर पे वीडियो भेज दीजिए या लिंक भेज दीजिए। सो वो सारी चीजें भी हो रही हैं। बट द मोस्ट पॉजिटिव थिंग इज दैट माय टीचर्स, दे आर ऑल गंग हो अबाउट इट कि नहीं, नो चाइल्ड शुड बी लेफ्ट बिहाइंड। वो लोग पूरी मेहनत कर रहे हैं। हैट्स ऑफ टू माय प्रिंसिपल्स जो मेहनत करते हैं इस चीज पे कि बच्चों को एक्सेस मिले हर चीज के लिए। एंड हैट्स ऑफ टू दीज पेरेंट्स जो बोल रहे हैं कि अब एक बार लॉकडाउन खत्म हो जाने दीजिए, हम बच्चे के लिए एक फोन लाना चाहते हैं घर में, क्योंकि हमें इसका फायदा दिख रहा है।
That's so beautiful. And here I would like to emphasize what Kanakji pointed out. Friends, these gadgets and technologies are a reality of our life. Today or tomorrow, the child is going to get exposed to it. Important is not making the child avoid it and or creating that gap and ignorance in the child. Important is to get a more informed usage. Prepare your child. You are blessed with the time at the moment at home. Be with the child, guide him with a more appropriate usage of technology rather than doing away with it. And as he quite rightly said, how much is too much depends on the individual and on your own child, so nothing can be defined about it. At the same time, he said that his experience is there are a lot of parents who do not have access to a smartphone. They are already motivated because they've whatever little usage with some sharing that they've done, they find this technology online process to be relevant and useful. And there are a lot of government schemes also that people can look into getting those tabs and smart technology available as well. So that can be looked into. I know you have busy schedule, Karaji, but then one or two more questions can we take?
Amitabh ji, your voice cracked. I couldn't hear what you said. I'm sorry.
I just said I know that you have a busy schedule, but then we'll take just one or two more questions which have been thrown by people.
Sure.
One is Savna Pandey, TJWS, Kanpur. That is the Danward School. I think she's the head of the school, and he says that in current times, question is that how to handle introverts. And that means those who are little extroverts coming to the technology, taking initiative, managing it, but introverts generally are staying quiet. And also, is there anything that you can share as an experience with in the technology usage?
So I think if you look at technology usage, you should look at it as a normal thing, and you should look at it as a platform, not let be intimidated or intimidating की वजह से हमें कुछ वैसा लगे. So if you feel that you are able to use your platforms, be it online real-time classes or be it video that you are sending across or you're doing worksheets, whatever, always remember that the connect that you have as a teacher and as a student, that should be very, very strong. So you know your children better. There are certain processes जो आपको स्कूलों में सेट करने चाहिए. हम लोग सब बात करते हैं कि स्कूल में there should be a trained psychologist and there should be a counselor who should be at school. Now it's becoming even more clear that there should be a trained psychologist and a trained counselor at your school जहाँ की प्रोफाइल होनी चाहिए. But yes, going forward तो हम वो चीजें करेंगे. But अगर अभी आपको लग रहा है कि आपके बच्चे लैग कर रहे हैं या आपको लग रहा है कि बच्चे नहीं पार्टिसिपेट कर पा रहे हैं, I will strongly recommend that ask leading questions and try track it कि कौन से बच्चे ज्यादा पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, कौन से बच्चे नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. स्टार्टिंग में ऐसा होगा कि सब लोग जो बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड बच्चे रहते हैं या जो टेक्नोलॉजी को थोड़ा समझ पाते हैं, वो लोग ज्यादा पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे क्लास में, वो स्क्रीन शेयर भी करने लग जाएंगे, वो दूसरी क्लासेस में जाने लग जाएंगे, वो कमेंट्स भी करेंगे, उनको सवाल के जवाब नहीं पता होंगे, उसमें भी बोलेंगे सर मुझे पता है, मैम मुझे पता है. बट यू नीड टू ट्रैक इट. और जैसे एक नॉर्मल क्लास में आप धीरे धीरे बच्चों को आइडेंटिफाई करोगे जो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं पार्टिसिपेट, वैसे ही आपको उनको पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए एनकरेज करना चाहिए. अभी भी वो प्रोसेसेस नहीं होते और वो प्रोसेस नहीं छोड़ने चाहिए. और अगर आपको लगता है कि कोई बच्चे, मतलब मैं थोड़ी एक्सट्रीम बात बोल रहा हूँ, कि आपको लगता है कि कुछ बच्चे मिसबिहेव कर रहे हैं, बदमाशी कर रहे हैं, और अगर इन अ नॉर्मल कोर्स ऑफ टाइम आप उनको काउंसिल करोगे, सो जस्ट बिकॉज वी आर डूइंग दिस ऑनलाइन, आप उनको काउंसलिंग करना छोड़िएगा मत। अपने क्लास के बच्चों को, उनसे बात करिए, उनके पेरेंट्स से बात करिए, उनको जरूर बताइए कि क्या चीजें वो सही कर रहे हैं, और अगर कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट एरियाज हैं तो उनको वो भी बताइए।
Fantastic. Introversion during online, as he said that there are so many processes that he explained should be followed. And at the same time, one of the things that your teachers should keep in mind, Ms. Pandey, that a lot of appreciation, acknowledgement in online classes is required for children. That will also take them out of the introversion. And one very important point, maybe during this online process or when the lockdown opens, the counseling and the psychological assistance will become a greater relevance and need for the schools, because that stress and coping up will be majorly required by the schools and the children and the parents. I think that's something which is going to be the order of the day. The psychological stress cases in India have gone up by 15 to 20% in last 2 months itself. So, and in schools, of course, if they can take the initiative to provide that support. One policy question, Kanakji, is by Sudarshan Leela Bhaumik. It can only be anticipatory unless this is about specifically about your own kind of schools. That is, any update about syllabus? Will it be reduced or will be kept as it is? Before Kanakji gives a response to it, I would say that there are schools under our supervision in HLS where the ISI recommended reduction of the syllabus, and the teachers and the principals came back saying, no, we are doing well and the syllabus completion is good, student response is positive, the feedbacks are different. But of course, government policy and Kanakji's take on the same.
So I think you said it rightly, Amitabh ji. I think we'll have to wait for the government policy more about it. But I want to add one more thing to it, that don't worry so much about syllabus completion. Now, when we talk about real issues and when we talk about a learning opportunity, where or when would our children have had the opportunity to have such a wonderful learning experience about life? And they've done wonderfully well. So instead of worrying about syllabus completion in the broad sense, let us look at ensuring that they don't lose out on any skills, don't lose out on any learning. But I think syllabus completion ho jayega. Like Amitabh ji rightly said, that schools are doing well on engaging children, and I think I keep saying this, and I cannot say this enough, that my respect level for teachers was always here. Now it's gone over the roof. Like it's absolutely admirable that teachers across the world are managing. So मतलब अगर लॉकडाउन मेरे पर एप्लीकेबल है, तो टीचर्स के ऊपर भी तो एप्लीकेबल है। उनको भी तो प्रिपेयर करना है अपनी क्लास के लिए, उनको भी तो घर के लिए सारी तैयारियां वगैरह करनी है, एंड स्टिल दे आर डूइंग सो वेल. So yeah, don't worry about syllabus completion. I think syllabus completion will happen, and I think let's just wait for what the government has to say.
Absolutely. I mean, nothing to worry about syllabus. It'll take its own course. Teachers know what your child is doing, and you don't have to worry about it much there. And I think I share your emotions about the respect for teachers have gone multifold. In fact, what you just now said, I would like to quote my wife. I overheard her talking to a friend yesterday itself, who said something about teachers being at home and in their comfort. Her response was that teachers, when they used to go to school, they were relieved of the household work and they were only focusing on the teaching during that time. Right now, they have to work and prepare for the new technology, syllabus completion, and everyone at home has expectation from them as well. So it's bigger challenge. It's not easy, and they have really lived up to the expectation. Friends, जब भी सोसाइटी ने कोई चैलेंज फेस किया है, कोई ना कोई कभी एरिस्टोटल तो कभी सोक्रेटिस, कोई ना कोई फिलोसफर और टीचर has come up for a rescue. this time, I think the teachers across the world have stood up together for the rescue of the community and the learning. They are the strong COVID warriors at the moment. Kanakji, you have been such an amazing, guest for us. You kept everyone glued, and we have already crossed our 1 hour of commitment. Despite delay, we have gone a little more than that. Thank you so much for all these so many insightful details and being on our show. And I'll also share with you and the viewers, friends, as a process,
My,
the School Times web channel follows a method. After this episode, of course, you will have this available on our page. We also would be posting YouTube link along with the transcript of the takeaway from our guest on the same page, that you can also read the lessons learned from our guest along with the YouTube link on the School Time Facebook page as well. Thank you so much, Kanakji, for being part of our show and being so forthcoming with your sharing of your experience, personal and professional.
my pleasure, Amitabh ji. Thank you so much, and thank you for doing this. I think a lot of people are learning so much from you by your conversations with your friends and people, achievers from the fraternity. I think it's a great work that you're doing. Thank you so much for
Thank you
having
so
me
much.
here, and I look forward to catching up with you again very soon.
Thank you so much. Looking forward to that. Friends, you were listening to Kanak Gupta, Director, MR Japuria Group of Schools. He was so forthcoming, candid, and direct in his conversation in enlightening us about his experience, his life, his thoughts, his philosophy of his group of institutions, how they are catering to the education in lockdown times, how he's managing his own personal life, how his daughter is partnering, authoring of a book along with him during this lockdown. A lot of creative thoughts which have emerged in our interaction. And in this journey of our lockdown commitment of staying positive COVID-19 series, we have our next guest who is equally amazing, having a lot of work done in more than 3 decades with in the education fraternity with the kids. She is Mrs. Suman Sood, director of BD Memorial School in Kolkata, and she is a core member of ECA National Core Committee, that is Early Childhood Education Association. She's part of the National Core Committee. We'll get a lot of insight into education, parenting, life experiences, dealing with young children, and with educational and the personal aspects with Mrs. Suman Sood in our next episode on Monday, that is 18th, 4 p.m. only on Ed Talks with Amitabh. Keep watching and keep logged in to the School Times. Thank you so much. Stay connected, stay tuned.